All right, guys, in this video, I want to show you how I do my market snapshot. And that is where I go to our board. They post this, so it's on my task list around the 20th every month to go look for this photo on their Facebook. So from this post, I can get all the information I need grab all the information. But here's what I need. I need these numbers. I have my own graphic. So I input all of the numbers on my custom graphic for my office. Then what I do is I have a template inside of Canva. And you can see here, it's the 30-second. I just update the month on all of my side banners. And then I'm going to update, change, move around, change the photo if I need to, if it's up or down. So I can change all of this information. And behind this, there are a ton of videos. So you can see I have videos of the area by basically, this one was probably, I type in Cocoa Beach, hit enter. I'm going to come over here to videos and let me type in Florida. And definitely not Cocoa Beach. We don't have cities like that. But as you can see, I can find videos of my area and then drag and drop, move them on over into there. Not sure why it's showing all these weird areas, but all I do is drag and drop. Now I've got it in there. So I do that for each, or you can even do real estate. So I could type in, Florida neighborhood or real estate agents. Let's see, hood. Let's see what happens. Sometimes you get more of that drone feel, and I can just drag and drop. Now that's part of the video. I do fade my video. If I select my video, the one thing you want to do is look at that time stamp because you can edit the actual video. If I come over here, you can see that video is really long, but I want this to be a 30-second market snapshot. So I make sure all of my slides are about 4.5 seconds. That way, and I can change them out. So here, it's the same template, just update that numbers, just like on that graphic. I already have kind of my end card of what I want, call to action. This I'm going to download as a YouTube video. I want it to be at least 1080 HD. I'm going to download it because it's going up on my YouTube. That'll be perfect. Goes up on my YouTube. Now I also have a reel template. So I'm going to do the same thing. All I did was just create a new reel, added, basically copied and pasted. I probably resized this with the magic switch. And then I just update it every month. So it's updated information. I do want my thumbnail. So that is why I have a lot of empty space on the top and the bottom. I want to be able to customize my thumbnail that's going out onto Instagram. So this will look okay in my actual feed. So I basically do the same thing. I edit all the information. I'm going to download that as a video, and then I'm going to upload it. I use, you can use Facebook Meta Business to be able to do that. So this, I also, because I'm adding on to my website, I am, where it is, right there. So I'm going to add in the graphic. I add in the text that the board has in their article, their blog, and I have the video. So I want everything there. So I have multiple ways, a way to direct traffic back to my blog to get the information. Here's how it looks on Instagram. As you can see, I have the graphics, the videos more for my blog and YouTube, and then I have the reel. So that way, see how I do have it all scrunched up, but that's so it looks good on this little feed here. But of course, if I click on it, it's going to be there. And I go and I share it to my story from Instagram because I don't see it on the desktop option. But when I click on this, it allows me to share it to the story. I will use the link element and link it right back to my blog to view all information. So hopefully that helps. A lot of great stuff you can do right inside of Canva. And again, it's just setting up that initial template. And from there, you have all of, you can easily plug and play, just drag and drop those numbers for each section using content. So hopefully that helps. And I can't wait to see what you guys do. Talk soon. Bye.